Happy Lunar New Year. It is the year of the dragon. Some people call it the wood dragon, right? I'm not going to get into that. I don't really know any much about that. What I do know is I was born in the year of the dragon. So the year of the dragon is such a mystical, right? Superpower. But here's the thing. Did you know that every one of us has a dragon within them? Every one of us has that superpower. You were born with it, right? Because if you don't believe me, look at, next time you cut your finger or someone else cuts their finger, look at it, right? Look at the finger. They don't have to do a single thing. And guess what? That finger, that cut magically heals. That is the power, the self-healing power. We all have that superpower, the self-healing superpower. The problem is through life, we mess it up, right? We take a lot of pills because we want that instant gratification. We take a lot of pills to suppress the dragon. We put our dragon into a cage where it can't come out and actually heal us. And that's where we come into problems. And that's where we start having diabetes, chronic diabetes, hypertension, cholesterol, neuropathy, neuralgia, chronic pain. You have all those problems because you put your dragon in the cage. 2024 is the time to unleash your dragon. Unleash the power to self-heal. How do you do that? You got to restore, not pop pills, restore the dragon's ability, restore your body's ability to self-heal, restore that super healing power. And if you want to learn how to do that, you got to follow me here because that's what this channel is about. It's about helping you unleash the dragon.